If you want to unlock your Samsung A37 5G without your screen lock, for example, you just forgot your screen lock, first of all, you will need the USB cable, and you will have to connect this cable into your PC, and then you will have to connect this cable into your Samsung. Now, what do you have to do? We have to just basically perform a reset of our phone, because there is no any other way to actually bypass this forgotten screen lock. So how it looks. We have to click and hold the power button and the volume down button simultaneously. Wait until the phone turns off, and when that turns off, you have to switch from the volume down button into the volume up button, and now when the Samsung logo appears, you have to release the power button, and here we are in the recovery mode. Now we have to go for wipe data / factory reset, click on the power button to confirm, scroll with the volume down button, click factory data reset complete, and now as you can see, the reset is complete. So what you can do right now, select reboot system now. Now we just have to wait until the phone turns on, and we'll be welcome with the first setup screen. Now we can finally disconnect the USB cable from our PC, and we can go forward. Now we just have to set up our phone to the point where we have to actually bypass the screen lock one more time. Now we have to connect to the Wi-Fi network, because without this we will be not able to set up our phone. Now when you are connected, click next. And now instead of inputting your password, select to use my Google account instead. And now you just have to log in by using your Google account.